Hey Grace, today we're going to learn on how to make reposts on TikTok private and only attributes to launch the TikTok application. And then you're going to tap on your profile. Then you're going to tap on this icon. And then for me, I wanted to delete any of these videos. All I have to do is to tap on the video that I want to delete. Then I'm going to tap on this repost button. Then from here, I am going to tap on the reposted, and then I'm going to tap on remove post. That's one way that you can actually remove a video from the repost. But in order for us to make our repost private, all you have to do is to tap on the video that you want it to become private, and then you're going to save it, which is going to be added to file, right? And then from there, you're going to remove now this video from your repost. In the case that we went here to this icon, we are going to see them here. Now, these are the images that, nobody can actually be able to see you, and they are our friends. And thank you guys for watching this video. This is Duration. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.